Welcome back. The High Court has refused to grant anticipatory bail to the accused named in Quepem Urban Cooperative Credit Society's gold loan fraud case. There are 15 accused in the case. All had approached High Court seeking anticipatory bail. They had to withdraw their petition as the court indicated to dismiss it. During the hearing, prosecution contended that custodial interrogation of all the accused is required, as more accused may be involved in the conspiracy.
While opposing the anticipatory bail to the accused in Quepem Urban Cooperative Credit Society gold loan scam, prosecution contended that all the accused committed the crime in connivance with the manager and gold appraiser of the Shiroda branch of Quepem Urban Cooperative Credit Society. Prosecution also said that the accused have not disclosed the source of procurement of the fake jewellery. Emphasizing on the need of custodial interrogation, prosecution contended that more accused may be involved in this conspiracy. Prosecution also apprehended that the accused may repeat the crime if they are granted bail. On the other side, counsel of the accused argued that during the loan formalities, original gold was deposited as lien. Defense lawyer suspects a foul play by society officials. They also said that they are going to file a case of fraud against the society officials. Defense also contended that neither police has seized disputed gold ornaments nor it is verified by a third party. The High Court indicated that anticipatory bail cannot be granted at this stage and suggested the accused to approach the trial court seeking regular bail. Fearing dismissal of the petition, all the accused withdrew their petitions. Quepem Urban fake gold scam case was cracked on 10th February when management discovered that the gold kept as lien against loan of 2 crores was of lower quality. There are in all 28 accused named in the case. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Congress came down heavily on Chief Election Commissioner for rejecting their radio jingle against Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Party has alleged that Election Commissioner's office in Goa is favouring Bharatiya Janata Party. Congress also criticized BJP State General Secretary Satish Dhon for allegedly threatening government officials. Party has decided to file a complaint against Satish Dhon with Election Commission. This radio jingle was composed by Congress Party to campaign during Lok Sabha election, mentioning Chief Minister's speech on closure of mining in the state. Party had sent it for approval to Chief Election Commissioner's office, but the commission has rejected the proposal.
So here radio jingalan je ashille, it was past records and facts which were already in the public domain. Hey, आम्ही स्वतः तयार करना कोणा मलायन करपाक. This shows Election Commission's hand in gloves with the government. Karan, a jingle je ashille was related to the mining admission of the Chief Minister, where he said that I stopped mining. आणि हो रेडिओ जिंगल आमी गोंय भरान सगळे रेडिओचेर घालपाचे आशिल्ले. इलेक्शन कमिशनाचो CEO आसा, he is accused in the infrastructure scams of Lusophonia.
Party also informed that it will lodge a complaint against State General Secretary of BJP, Satish Dhon, for allegedly threatening government officials.
Chief Electoral Officer of Goa should file a criminal case against this Mr. Satish Dhon, who is the organizing secretary of BJP, and arrest him to give a sense of security and confidence of these elections. So these elections, on these elections duty officers.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent. Voting in Tripura and Assam picked up on Monday as voters in the 2 northeastern states became the first one to kickstart the 16th Lok Sabha elections in the country. Second phase of Lok Sabha elections will be held on 9th April. Around 72 to 80% of voting was recorded in the first phase. Long queues of people were seen in most of the 1,605 polling stations as soon as voting began at 7 in the morning. Balloting continued till 5 in the evening. In some polling booths, voting was delayed for a while due to technical snags in the electronic voting machines. Around 1.2 million people are eligible to vote on Monday to pick a Lok Sabha member from among 13 candidates. Almost all the candidates are first-time contenders. No untoward incident was reported. Second phase for Lok Sabha election is scheduled on 9th April. Elections will be held in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Bureau Report Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.